saying? You work, then you put your work in. You know what I'm saying?
I don't like that popping.
Hey, if it works, it works.
So we headed right now to TTYL Beach. I'm finna go to lunch because I feel like I'm about to fall out. Hey y'all, so well let me set this up right. Hey y'all, so it's 3:04 p.m. Tuesday, June 27th. Just got back home. Y'all, today was so hectic. Like, I had a lot of fun. I loved it. I loved every part of it. I'm tired. Like, literally, I got there, I did some desk work, and then my mentor came and picked me up from my cubicle, and then we went to go do stuff in the lab. I forgot what we did exactly. Oh, they had this product that I won't disclose, and they were testing, like, they were putting it through a whole bunch of different tests to see if it could actually be like be used in the field. And then my camera's about to die. Bro, y'all should be good now. But yeah, we was testing stuff, checking to see if it actually if it could actually be used in the field, playing with liquid. Oh my gosh, playing with liquid nitrogen. Y'all, my mentor was scaring me because first of all, we had to go to these big liquid N2 tanks, and he basically had to take the hose from it, open it up, and put some liquid nitrogen into a smaller tank to carry to the other room. Y'all, when he was doing this, all this smoke start coming out. It's not smoke, it's like the N2 condensation or evaporation, whatever, and all the pipes start freezing up and getting all cold and stuff. And then he was like, you know, it's filled up when it starts to like shoot out. And I was like, shoot out? So I backed up a little bit, and it started to, all the liquid nitrogen started going on the floor, and it was like so gassy that it was just flying across the floor. He explained to me the actual scientific name for that, but I forgot. Yeah, all of it was just flying across the floor in these little bubbles. It was really cool. So then he closed that up. We went to the other room, was dunking stuff in the liquid nitrogen. It was so cool. My mentor kept on like putting his hand in there really quickly and taking it out, which made me scared. He asked me if I want to try. I was like, no. You know, I almost did, but then I was like, what about my nail polish? Like, how would that, what effect would my nail polish have? And he was like, that's a good question. Since we don't know, let's not do that. And I was like, okay, yeah, I agree. So yeah, we was dunking stuff in that, thermal shocks and stuff. I got to see in on some other people's experiments. This dude came in there and got on me. He was like, by the way, whenever you're in the lab, you need to be wearing full pants. You can, like, cause he saw that I was wearing a skirt, I guess. And he was just like, because of this, and that, and that, and that. And then I was like, cool, thank you. Okay, we'll wear pants in the lab from now on. Like, oh, he was getting on me. I was like, bro. And he was kind of weird, low-key. Like, I don't know. It's just the way he talks and like his what do you call it? Not demeanor. What do you call it? His oh, his mannerisms. He has weird mannerisms. Odd. A little odd.
You weird, buddy. You're weird.
Wouldn't really look me in my eyeballs. Little odd mannerisms, but yeah, that was funny. So after that, so it was desk work, lab work, then I had to go straight to a meeting from 12 to 1, and then I had to come back to my desk and go to another meeting from 1 to 1:30. That was an hour and 30 minutes of straight meeting. I was so tired. Like, I got to my desk, sat there, just leaned back for like 5 minutes because I was just tired and exhausted. And the only thing I ate this morning was like 2 little burritos, so I didn't have a lot of energy. Oh, so in one of those meetings I ate a granola bar because I was literally like, I need some sort of energy or else I'm going to fall asleep, and I gotta be alert. I want to be alert and present for this information that they're giving me. So I got back to my desk, sat there, and just existed for like not even 5 minutes, but a couple of minutes. I was just like, I gathered all my lunch stuff together, grabbed my phone, my earbuds, and everything. Because usually I don't carry around my phone or have my phone on me at all. I just keep my watch on me because it's like, I don't need that distraction. Y'all, where I'm working at, your phones don't really work. It's like as soon as you enter the building, they have it so that you have no service whatsoever. So you can't like watch YouTube. You could text or call. If you get like 1 bar, it might go through, or you might get text back. But I don't know if it's called a Faraday cage. I was asking my mentor about that. He was like, it's not on purpose. The service is just really bad. But I was like, no, I don't think answering through one door would make your service bad. As soon as I come through one door, I should at least have a couple of bars. But no, I come through one door, no service, only SOS or whatever. They definitely have a thing. I gathered my things once I got back to my desk. Then I ran into my associate, and then they were like, I lost my phone. And I was like, you lost your phone? How'd you lose your phone? And I was like, I left it right here in my cubicle. And I was like, are you sure you left it there? And mind you, this person is known for being a little clumsy. So I'm like, are you sure you didn't take it with you to the lab, or you didn't take it with you to the bathroom? Like, have you checked everywhere? And then they were like, yeah. And I was like, dang. I was like, I'm finna go to lunch because I feel like I'm about to fall out. Like, literally, I had no energy. I felt like I had no energy. So I was like, I'm about to fall out, so I'm gonna eat my lunch. Hopefully you find your phone. Bye. Went outside to eat. Where I usually eat at, I sat down, right? And I looked at the other table, and somebody left their wallet on the table. So I went over, being the good Samaritan that I am, I went over, picked it up, and then took it to the nearest, like, security gate thing. I told the lady, I was just over there in the lunch area, and I've seen somebody left their wallet on the table. And she was like, oh, okay, thank you. Let me get your information so she can, like, I guess write down whoever found it. I didn't look inside their wallet because I wanted to see the ID so I can, like, actually tell the person, but I didn't look inside. I feel like that was just, like, kind of invasion of privacy, so I just gave it to the lady. You know, hopefully she looks inside, sees the ID, emails them or something, or if somebody's looking for a wallet, you know whose it probably is. Yeah. And then I sat down, I ate my lunch, y'all. I made a garden salad with some boiled eggs and some hot dogs from Sam's Club, Members Mark hot dogs. Y'all, Sam's Club hot dogs slap. Like, they are so good. Flavors is just, and they ain't no small hot dogs either. These some big, good size hot dogs. They're good size. The flavor is just, I ate boiled eggs, sausage, and garden salad all together. Bust. And then I had my peach tea that I didn't finish after that. Oh, let me tell y'all what I was watching. I was watching Corey Kenshin react to the FNAF movie coming out, Five Nights at Freddy's, and he's actually in the movie, which is cool. And then I was watching Berleezy play this horror game. I was trying to download the video through this, like, it's this website I use to download videos off of YouTube, because y'all know YouTube wants you to, like, pay to download or to do a whole bunch of stuff, but there's already stuff out there you can use to download. I'm just saying, that's how I get the stuff for my videos. But I was trying to use that to download his video so I could watch it inside, because if it's downloaded on my phone, I don't need internet to watch it, right? That video was an hour long. I already knew it wasn't gonna be enough time because I was watching it download and it was like, this is the bar, y'all, and it was like this. So I already knew. I tried downloading something else that was like shorter, still was taking too long, so I just went back inside, used the bathroom. Y'all, the bathrooms are nice. Bathrooms are nice, and they got these little women baskets. I don't know what you would call these, women baskets, and they have like maxi pads, tampons, I think, and all the necessities. That was cool. That's a little nice thing in there. The lighting is nice. Then I went back up to my desk, packed my stuff up, logged out, locked my stuff up, and I was out of there, y'all. Although today was a lot. I loved it. Like, I love being busy. I would much rather prefer that than sitting at home all day doing nothing, feeling like I'm wasting my life sitting inside. I mean, everything happens in its own time. Still, when you just sitting inside every single day, I'm saying doing nothing, although I do like work a lot and I would film and edit all the time, which is technically not nothing. I still feel like I could be out in the world doing more. So this opportunity, it keeps me busy, and I love being busy. I am tired though. Today was a lot. Today was back-to-back meetings. Loved every second of it. I love that I'm tired. Y'all, I love when I'm like tired from working, because I feel like, just listen, when I'm tired from working, I feel like I feel fulfilled. I feel like this is how I should feel after everything that I did. It gives me a sense of like accomplishment, like I did something today. Yeah, it's the reason why you tired. It's because you worked and you put your work in. You know what I'm saying? So I actually like that feeling, and I haven't been able to feel that like accomplishment feeling for a while. Like, usually I would feel that feeling after editing and filming and posting something. When I send it off, I feel that feeling of accomplishment. Or when I would turn in a big project or assignment, I would feel that feeling of accomplishment. Or when I would read or just finish any sort of task, I would feel that feeling of accomplishment at the end of every day. And I would be tired from like all the work I would do, which would help me sleep. Y'all, for months I no matter what I did, I just did not get that feeling. For months, it's like I would do work, sometimes hard work, and at the end of the day, I just feel like totally unaccomplished. When I don't feel like I worked enough in a day, I can't go to sleep good. I go to sleep, I'm up like, I just be up and I just be feeling like I could have done more. I just don't feel accomplished. It keeps me up. I'm starting to get that feeling back of like, I put in my work for the day, I did something. You know, I just get that nice sense and feeling you get, you know? Let me know down in the comments if you know what I mean by that. Today was cool. So what I'm finna do now is I'm finna get a wipe, get this gel off my edges, and then I'm gonna tie my hair up and take a shower. I'll play a little bit of Watch Dogs on my Xbox and then work on my schoolwork. I already finished AP Comp Sci. I finished my first week of AP Calc. Oh, I got a meeting. Okay, I have to get off and shower and stuff. But yeah. But I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I never want to be in that type of class again. So I'm definitely doing AP Calc next year, and I'll talk to y'all later because my camera's about to die. So. Hey y'all, so right now I'm with my brother Chris and we're headed to this bonfire that my internship people is hosting. They're going to have snacks and drinks and stuff provided. I think it's gonna be dope. So we headed right now to TTYL Beach and I'll see y'all there.
Okay, Mally.
Made it, y'all. We is out here and I'm waiting. He's taking forever to get out the car. Huh? Nope. I'm so happy, y'all. I've been wanting to go to the beach. Now I have like a valid excuse to actually go out. Not just that I want to go out. This man taking 100 million years to get out the car. This bang getting on my nerve. I'm finna stuff it under this scarf. Smell the weed from their car. Delicious. My hair all up in my face. Are y'all standing to the side because it's flying this way?
Oh yeah. I thought it was totally gonna fall. Yeah, happened to me last time.
Oh.
That could also.
I don't like that popping.
Hey, if it works, it works. I mean, man, if I thought here, so. I did.
Disrespectful. Now look what mine say.
Well, you can't really read it because I wrote upside down. But that's an M, that's a Y, that's an A, that's a P, that's an O, that's an O, and that's a K, and that's an I, and that's an E, and that's a heart that look like a booty cheek, but it's a heart. You put boo boo. That's trifling.
Ladies, I'm an escalator.